equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on replacing the control panel of your Thermomix TM31. This process can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. *** tools required ***. 1. Phillips screwdriver. 2. Flathead screwdriver. 3. Torque screwdriver, T10. 4. Soft cloth for cleaning. 5. Isopropyl alcohol for sanitizing. *** Step 1. Preparation ***. Before you begin, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged. This is crucial for your safety. Lay out your tools on a clean surface to keep everything organized. *** Step 2. Removing the base ***. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the Thermomix. There are typically 4 screws. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base off, exposing the internal components. *** Step 3. Disconnecting the control panel ***. Next, locate the control panel connection. This is usually a ribbon cable attached to the main board. Carefully disconnect this cable by gently pulling it out. If you find it difficult, use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry it loose. Remember, patience is key here. *** Step 4. Cleaning the interior ***. Before installing the new panel, take a moment to clean the interior of your Thermomix. Use a soft cloth and isopropyl alcohol to wipe down any dust or residue. This not only helps with hygiene but also ensures that your new panel fits snugly without obstruction. *** Step 5. Installing the new control panel ***. Now, take your new control panel and align it with the connection point. Push the ribbon cable back into place until you hear a click. Ensure it's secure, as a loose connection can cause issues later on. *** Step 6. Reassembling the Thermomix ***. Carefully place the base back onto the Thermomix. Align it properly and replace the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can damage the casing. *** Step 7. Testing the appliance ***. Once everything is back in place, plug in your Thermomix and turn it on. Check that the new control panel is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, and our pickup and delivery at your home service makes it easy for you. No calls, no travel, just convenience. *** Step 8. Final touches ***. If everything is working well, give your Thermomix a final wipe down. This ensures it looks as good as new. If you need a quote before repair or further assistance, feel free to contact us. We are here to help you keep your Thermomix in top condition. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.